Meaning of defensive.
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 Defensive. The term defensive generally refers to actions or strategies that are taken to protect oneself or something valuable from potential harm or danger. This can include behaviors such as guarding against possible threats, preparing for contingencies, and being cautious or wary in certain situations. The end result of adopting a defensive approach is often increased safety and security, as well as reduced risk or vulnerability to various types of harm or loss. However, being overly defensive may also lead to missed opportunities and a more limited outlook on life.